Selling products in kits is a great way for your customers to use your brand as a one-stop shop and an easy way for you to increase your AOV, or average order value. However, making product updates, especially when those products are in kits, can be very challenging when using spreadsheets to make manual updates. Maybe you need to adjust pricing, inventory, or descriptions. Making these small changes across products and especially across multiple kits can double the time it takes to make the updates and double the chances of errors. Many of our customers come to us and ask us for features that would allow them to update different aspects of their product content in bulk. In this video, we're going to focus on how using bulk functionality within Catsy's PIM software can allow you to manage your kits faster, more accurately, and with less effort. PIM software centralizes all of your product data and equips you with the tools you need to update your products in bulk, ensuring consistency across all of your sales channels. For some brands, product kits might also be referred to as BOMs, or a bill of materials. Whether you need to adjust thousands of SKUs or just a select group, bulk editing features for your kits or BOMs make the updating processes smooth and accurate. As you've probably experienced, managing kits or BOMs requires frequent updates. Adjusting pricing, updating descriptions, swapping images, and maintaining inventory accuracy. Making all of these changes continuously across multiple kits is slow and error-prone. Here are 5 ways PIM software can make the process much smoother for you. Number 1 is managing meta fields for specific products in specific kits. Number 2 is managing meta fields for specific products across all kits. For example, you can set specific pricing in Catsy for a single component within the scope of a kit. On the other hand, you can also edit text for a single component within a specific kit. This is also known as BOM customization. For example, within a specific kit, you can say, when installing this knob on this door, be sure to use wood screws. Whereas the same knob on a different door may say, when installing this knob on this door, be sure to use metal screws. This would be for the same knob used alongside 2 different doors in 2 different kits, requiring 2 different instructions. Number 4, you can apply changes to a parent product and have those changes instantly reflect across all child products. Number 5, you can set up rules to automate kit updates when changes are made at the individual product level. As you can see, with Catsy's updating features, you no longer have to make updates product by product. You can simply select multiple kits, apply updates in just a few clicks, and watch as your updates are made everywhere your product appears, whether in a specific kit or for a specific channel. Whether your kits are listed on your Shopify website, on marketplaces, or within distributor portals, every change made within Catsy PIM is pushed to connected platforms in real time, ensuring customers always see the most up-to-date product information. Need to update hundreds of kits with new pricing? It's done in seconds. Swapping out a discontinued component within multiple bundles? Update once and Catsy PIM applies your changes everywhere. This level of automation means fewer errors, less wasted time, and more confidence that your kits are always accurate and ready to sell. Don't let bulk updates bottleneck your processes and cause errors throughout your kits. Book a live demo of Catsy's PIM software today. Go to catsy.com and sign up. Let's go.